I am Bhavleen and you are watching my channel BK Tech. In the previous video, we have completed example number 2, 3 and 4. In this video, we will do exercise 1.3 of integers class 7 maths NCERT. So let's start with the first question. Question number 1 on the screen. Question number 1 says, find each of the following products. So now you have to multiply all the parts. That means they have given you some parts. Like for example, I will do the A part and you will see how to do it. And then you will come to know how to do the question number 1. So let's start with the A part. A part says three multiplied by -1. Now you have to multiply them. The question says this only, that you have to multiply them. You have to find the products. Now, first of all, we will forget about the signs and focus on the numbers. So 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So let's write down 3, and I have told you that plus minus gives us minus. I hope friends till now you have learnt the signs that plus is plus, minus is minus, plus minus is minus, minus is plus. And now I don't have to write down the signs over here. Yes or no? Okay, so I hope so that you have learnt them. Now let's move on to the B part. B part says -1 multiplied by 225. So now you have to multiply them again. Now, first of all, let's forget about the signs. Let's multiply 225 by 1. What will be the product? It would be 225 only. Now let's come on to the signs. Minus plus is minus. So this is the answer. Friends, don't forget to write the equals to sign before each step. It's very, very important. Now let's come on to the C part. The C part says -21 multiplied by -30. Now again, this is 30. This is 0. Wait, let me correct. Okay. Now, -21 multiplied by -30. First of all, let's forget about the signs and let's multiply only the numbers first. Now, 21 multiplied by 31. Let's assume this space as the rough column. So 21 multiplied by 30 would be 0 multiplied by 1 is 0, 0 multiplied by 2 is 0, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So 0, 0, 0, 3 and 6. So the answer is 630. Now let's focus on the signs. Minus is plus. It becomes plus. That means 630 would be positive number. Now let's come on to the D part. The D part says -316 multiplied by -1. So now, if you will multiply it, so the product will be again the number itself, because any number multiplied by 1 gives us the number itself. So 316 यही आएगा. Now let's see the signs. Minus minus is plus. That means 316 will be a positive number. Now this was the D part. Now please you will practice the rest of the parts on your own. And if you will have any doubt in any of the parts, you can comment me in the comment section. I'll surely clear your doubts. Now let's come on to question number 2. Question number 2 on the screen. Verify the following. So, in example number 3, I have already told you that the meaning of verify is to prove. You have to prove the parts given in this question. You are seeing that they have written the two statements, and in between both the statements they have put one equal to sign. So you have to prove that the first part, like for example in the A part they have written 18 multiplied by 7 plus minus 3 equals to 18 multiplied by 7 plus 18 into minus 3. So I am talking about this equal to sign. These are the two parts of part number 1 A. A part के दो parts हैं. Let's say them statements. Okay, they are the two statements. Now they are saying that this statement should be equal to this statement. मतलब कि उन्होंने प्रूव करने के लिए दिया हुआ है कि ये जो स्टेटमेंट है ये इस स्टेटमेंट के इक्वल है और इन दोनों को प्रूव करो. प्रूव कैसे करोगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल सॉल्व दिस एंड यू विल सॉल्व दिस वन, and then you will write down at the end, hence 18 multiplied by 7 plus minus 3 equals to 18 multiplied by 7 plus 18 multiplied by minus 3, proved, verified. Am I clear? Agar I am not clear, you can comment me in the comment section. I will again make one more video of this question and then you can understand it very well. Now, first of all, let's solve this. When we will solve this, you will come to know that how to do this part. So, आइए मेरे साथ solve करिए. I hope you all have your notebooks along with you and solve along with me now. Let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to change the signs. So let's in the first sentence change the signs. 18 multiplied by 7 plus, it will be plus minus minus. So minus 3, then this bracket. ये तो bracket के बाहर आ गया क्योंकि we have solved the signs. Equals to 18 multiplied by 7 bracket close plus bracket starts 18 multiplied by. Now यहाँ पे कोई sign नहीं है, कोई भी sign नहीं है, तो you will keep it like this only. Clear? Minus 3. I hope I am clear for the first step. Now let's come on to the second step. Now what we have to do is, first of all, we have to subtract 7 minus 3. What is 7 minus 3? It is 4. Now it is solved, so you will remove the bracket. After that, equal to sign. Then we will multiply 18 by 7. So 18 multiplied by 7 is 7 8s are 56. 7 1s are 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 126. So 126 is the product, then is the plus sign. Now what you will do is you will multiply 18 by minus 3. 18 by minus 3. First of all, we will ignore the signs. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3, 4, 5, 54. So the answer will be 54 over here, and the sign will be of minus because plus minus is minus, and you will keep 54 in the bracket. Clear, everyone? I hope I am clear for the second step. Now let's move on to the third step. Now in this third step, we will multiply 18 by 4, and here we will change the sign and subtract. Now, first of all, let's multiply 18 by 4. 4 8s are, what is 4 8s are? 32. 4 1s are 4, 5 6 7, that is 72. So 18 multiplied by 4 is 72. Now 126 plus minus minus. So 126 minus 54. Now you will subtract them in the next step, not in this step, because in this step you have changed the sign. ओके, सिर्फ एक ही चीज कर सकते हो आप एक स्टेप में. तो 72 इक्वल्स टू 126 माइनस 54 कितना आएगा? 126 minus 54, it would be 6 minus 4 is 2, then borrow 12 minus 5 is 7, again 72. ओके, देखा? अब इन दोनों पार्ट्स के सेम आंसर्स निकले. 72 equals to 72. अब at the end you will write therefore 18 multiplied by 7 plus minus 3 equals to 18 multiplied by 7 plus 18 multiplied by minus 3. Verified. इकट्ठा ही लिखोगे इसके साथ ही. I was not having enough space, so I have written at the down. लेकिन ये एक ही लाइन में लिखोगे. Your school's answer sheet would be big. So in the exams, you will write it like in the one line only. So this was part number A. Now part number B you will try on your own because you don't have to copy everything from the YouTube. So I have explained you part number 1. अब आप लोगों को part number B खुद करना है. मैं आप लोगों को सिर्फ और सिर्फ थोड़ा बहुत और समझा देती हूँ. Like for example, in the B part also they have given you this type of statement. 2 statements they have given you and they have told you to verify them. So verify का मतलब मैंने अभी आप लोगों को बताया था is to prove. ठीक है, तो ऐसे ही आप लोग ये दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स को सॉल्व कर दोगे पहले, और एंड में जाके दोनों का जो आंसर है ना वो सेम आएगा. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल ए पार्ट में भी दोनों का आंसर लास्ट में 72 आया था. एंड ऐसे वाले क्वेश्चंस के एंड में therefore 18 multiplied by 7 plus minus 3 equals to, मतलब ये पूरी सेम स्टेटमेंट लिख के ना, hence verified लिखना मत भूलना because that's very 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 important. So now let's come on to the question number 3. You have to do B part. You have to try the B part on your own. If any doubt in the B part of question number 2, you can comment me in the comment section. I will prepare one separate video for that question. Now let's come on to the question number 3.